we are from Team Innova, and then this is our project, which is leg powered washing machine. So as you can see, the components that we are needed to do for this project is a bicycle pedal and a bicycle chain, along with the behind bearing. And also for our prototype, we just use a normal dustbin, plastic dustbin. This is where we will put our product. Later I will show you all how it works. So this is to lock our product, which we have also already entered inside here. So this is how we will lock it. And then this is our water filter. So our water, our water will be going into these water valves, and then it will be sending water through here. So now I will show you the example of how this thing will actually work. So I will be putting on a product. So this will be actually resemble our clothes. So once you have locked it in, we have to twist this pedal. So once if the pedal started to twist, the cloth will be twisting inside. Okay, so you can see that is our presentation from just now, and then I hope you understand how this prototype works. That's all from us. Thank you for taking on.